Hello everyone, this is my second video on Power Automate desktop. In this video, I will show you how we can read data from a CSV file using Power Automate desktop. First, I will show you the sample file which I am using. Okay, so this is a CSV file, okay, and it has 6 rows, 5 rows basically. Okay, so we will read this file and we will get all these values, comma separated values in our Power Automate desktop, and we will show that value in a message box. This is my flow. We will start with step 1. Okay, so this is step 2 log. Like my flow has started, so I have just put a log here and I'm saving that log in a text file. Okay, and this is the path of that text file. So these steps and these logs are important to investigate if any error occur in your flow, so you can see which steps it got executed. So these logs help us to investigate and debug if any error occur in our flow. Yeah, second step is a main step, the action. Yeah, using this action we will read CSV file data. So first, read from CSV. This is the action. This action you will get in this action panel. If you search read from, so you will see this action here, read from, read a CSV file into data table. Yeah, so this action we can use. Yeah, so here I have provided a path of that CSV file. You can also choose your file from this button. You can choose the file. So I have already selected the file, and once it will read the file, the all the data will be stored in this variable, and the variable name is CSV table. After that, I have taken a variable called row count. This is important for my further processing. I will explain you the logic why did I take this variable here. After that, we will apply for loop. So we get all the rows in this CSV table variable. Now we will apply for loop and we will get data of each rows one by one. Okay, yeah. So then here I have applied a if loop, if condition where row count is greater than 1. Yeah. So basically currently row count is 1, and whenever if count is row count is more than 1, then we will be querying the data which we got from CSV. So row count 1 equal to 1 means the first column, the header. Okay, so we don't want to get the value of these headers. That's why I have added this condition. So in the first time it will not execute, it will not get any data. It will just skip this if condition, and after that at the end I am increasing that row count to 1. Okay, so next time it will the row count will be 2 and the condition will be true. So it will come under this if loop, and then it get the, yeah, that row value. So current item, I will explain you what the current item is. So if we go to for loop, yeah, CSV table is basically nothing but that collection of data, and in the for loop, each row will be stored in this variable called current item. Okay. So I have taken another variable row value here, and I am taking that current item value, the first column value basically, in this row value variable. I will explain you. So the current item will hold the complete row, this row, and in this row, this particular column value if you want to get, so then you need to pass the index. So I have passed the index 0. If you see current item, and in indexing I have passed 0. So by this I will get the value of this particular cell. Okay. After that we are splitting. So the value what I will get in the current item is this complete value. Okay, now I will split these value, okay, and get the individual values, okay. So basically this particular column has three values. So we will split first this action to split any string or text in PowerPoint desktop. Again, this action you can get from here and you can add in your flow. And after that, you need there are some delimiters available, standard delimiters. But here in this case, we need to select custom and then we need to pass our custom delimiter. Okay, that is semicolon. So I have passed that. Now, after the split, again we will get one collection. Okay, so we will get three values. Since you see the my Excel, it has three values. So we will get these three values in a collection. Okay, so that will be my new variable called values collection. After that, again we have to apply one more loop to get those individual values. So I have applied this for loop. One second. I have applied another for loop on that value collection and I'm storing each value in a each value variable. Okay, and then at the end I am displaying that value in a message box. Okay, I will run this. See, the first time it did not execute anything. Second time it got the row and it executed. So the first value we got is Booker 12, that is this value. Next time it will get 9012 and then it got Rachel and then it got Booker. See, so that's how you can. Now it is processing the second row. Okay, so I will stop my execution here. Okay, so that's how you can query all the rows and can get value of each individual columns in a CS from a CSV file using a PowerPoint desktop. I will also quickly explain you this. So when it runs, it also shows the values here, like the row count, total row count, how it is currently it is 4. In the row value, what we got these values, okay. And value collection, it's a collection of these values. So you can also see the variables value what it holds currently, okay. And at the end, yeah, at the end we get all the values of that CSV file. Now we can use these values if we want to. For example, if we want to get these values and stored in a SharePoint list or any other database like a dataverse table, anything we can do with these values. So maybe all such operations I will cover in my next video. So in this video I just wanted to show you how to query a CSV table and how to get those all the data uh, in a PowerPoint desktop. I hope you like this video. Thank you.